Hello friends, welcome back to Guiding Tech, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Yes, the phone that comes with 3 camera and an amazing software to power them all. Now in this video I'm going to talk about some cool tips and tricks that you can follow as a Huawei Mate 20 Pro user to make your camera experience even better. Yes, there are a lot of hidden tips and tricks that you need to check out. So well, what are we waiting for? My name is Ashish, you are watching Guiding Tech. Let's get started. Now the very first feature is to capture the wide world, and it is one of the best features of Mate 20 Pro due to its ultra wide sensor. Now once you are in the camera interface, it's a little bit tricky to enable it. You need to tap on the 1x button and you'll see 5x zoom, and then when you tap on it again, you'll reach to a point that it says 0.x zoom, and that's where the ultra wide mode kicks in. Now as you all might know, the wide angle photos have those fisheye effect. So make sure to apply the lens distortion effect to make up for it. The next tip is to capture crisp low light images, and if you have followed the recent smartphone camera trends, you must have seen that most of the phones have a dedicated night mode. The Mate 20 Pro also bundles an independent night mode called the Night, and unlike the pictures taken on the auto mode, the night mode pictures are crisp, detailed and lack noise. The best thing about the camera is that the night mode works across all the 3 lenses, but before you start clicking, you'll have to keep 2 things in mind. First, hold the camera as stable as possible because the camera takes multiple shots and even a slight hand movement might result in blurry photos. And secondly, the Mate 20 Pro captures great still photos, but if you have frames that has moving cars or buses, the result might again be blurred out. Moving on, let's talk about the super slow motion, and man, this is the age of super slow motion videos. The Mate 20 Pro can capture slow motions in a whooping 960 fps, similar to what we get on Samsung Galaxy Note 9 and S9 Plus. The Mate 20 Pro gives you 2 different modes to shoot slow motion videos, auto and manual. Now the automatic modes grabs a video when it detects motion, but in the manual mode, you'll have to specify an area where you want the video to slow down and then tap on the shutter button. While the time interval being tight, you'd have to be very sure when shooting such videos. And again, lighting is the key to great slow motion videos. So make sure that you are shooting in plenty of broad daylight, and indoor results might not be good in such videos. Now moving on, the next trick is to play with the portrait mode's shooting mode. And well, in portrait modes, people are just not limited to bokeh in 2019. Taking a leaf out of the iPhone XS portrait mode, this phone comes with a number of shooting modes like stage lighting, folding blinds, photo booth and much more. Now once you enable and take photos, it replaces the background with stylish set of colors and effects, enhancing the overall looks. All you have to do is pick the right color mode for the right environment, and you love the photos that it's giving out to you. Now the next trick is about raw photos, and that setting is available in the Pro mode, and really it would be a shame if you don't explore the Pro mode in this camera studded phone. The Pro mode lets you play with the camera settings like white balance, ISO and shutter speed, and to add to it, you can also store pictures in raw mode. Though the pictures in raw mode look flat and lack the punch, they are more flexible to edit since they have more details that are normally absent in a JPEG image. To enable this mode, navigate to Pro Settings, Resolution and toggle the RAW resolution on. The next tip is about the monochrome mode. Now unlike its predecessor, the Mate 20 Pro doesn't have a dedicated monochrome lens, but it tries to make up for that with a dedicated monochrome mode, and it just doesn't end there. This mode comes with its own techniques such as Pro mode, Portrait mode and even aperture. All you need to do is go to More, Monochrome mode, Portrait and then start clicking the photos. Now I'm sure that you would love this feature, and this is actually hidden. So if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Moving on, the next feature is to enable motion pictures. And thanks to this feature, you can now store a short video along with the still image on your Mate 20 Pro. Simply tap on the little circle on the camera's viewfinder. All the motion pictures are denoted by a tiny circle at the top right corner while you are viewing them in your gallery. Tap on it to view a little video for the moments leading to a photo. And finally, the trick that is my personal favorite, shooting videos with the color pop effect. Yes, you heard it right. Just like color pop photos, this one preserves the color of a subject in focus while draping the rest of the images in the background black and white while you are shooting the videos. And man, the AI works amazing in this camera. To enable it, head over to the video module and tap on the pencil colored icon at the left corner and then select the AI color. Now it's a cool feature to have on your camera, but the only downside is that it can only be used for humans. That's what it can recognize at the moment. So friends, those are some of the cool camera tips and tricks for your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. And if this video has actually helped you out, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button right now for more such cool videos. Well, that's all for this one. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye, folks.